Okay, so lower back pain versus upper back pain, the fundamentals are the same. As chiropractically speaking, we believe the vertebrae are out of alignment. That causes muscle imbalance, extra friction of the joints. That creates inflammation that then causes pain. So we usually have a little more tendency to have low back pain because of poor posture, um, lifting wrong, work habits, stuff like that. So it's a little more prevalent, a little harder to remedy sometimes. But upper back pain is usually ribs out of place or some, again, poor posture is a key factor in that as well.